Hi, welcome. In this session, we are going to understand about the usage of frames in HTML and also some more miscellaneous tags of it. Let us understand what is a frame. In HTML, frames are used to divide a browser window into multiple sections. Each section is a separate HTML document. A collection of frames in a browser window is known as frame set or set of frames. Frame set has properties or attributes called columns. It means that the frame can be divided into the number of columns as a set of frames, or rows. Frame can be divided into the number of rows. Enabling border. Each frame or division of the frame requires border or no border can be identified, or we can use it as a frame border as 1 or 0. Frame spacing. Between two frames, what is the spacing is to be identified or given as a frame set properties. Moving ahead. Each frame in the frame set has the identification of its source file, name of the frame, if required, frame border, what it is required, and width and height of the margin, and would you like to resize or would you like to enable scrolling on the frame. This is the property that we can set on individual frame. Moving ahead, let us find the code convention where I intended to do. Considering the designing of the frame, first of all, where we need to understand one major thing all about, when you are designing frame, that should not be implemented inside the body. It should be either in the header or independent of the body. Then it will help you out in making the frame. Okay, so it should not use body inside the frame. In case a frame load failure occurs, we can use no frames. That gives your frame set is not concerned with any kind of the body, and where we'll close the frame set on declaration of it. Connecting to the furthermore part of the application, it requires a menu part of it where we can go with the individual link on the menu where we connect with the individual pages. Here it is connecting with the marked pages where we are intended to call. This is how where we can load frames in the application. Now let us move ahead with more disadvantages on the frames. Small devices cannot cope up with the implementation of the frame because of its heavy weight, and it is window dependent, browser dependent, and your page appearance may cause some complexity, and back button has the issue of move back, and certain browsers as the latest are having some complexity in identifying the frames, are the disadvantages of it. Blocked contents. Blocked content can be given by the tag we call it as a div, which supports for the block of text having a load of document inside it, or a multi-line text can be attached with the div tag. One more the type of the tag where we can find. Now here we can see that the declaration part of the div tag where I would like to project the div tag with some information. We'll see this one further at the time of further implementations, and span tag is supported for you to maintain the smaller text information or inline text information can be identified where it is considered to be called for small lines of information kind of validation texts. These are about the enhanced tags in the applications. Hope you understood this. For the more informations we'll find in the next videos. Keep watching. Thank you.